Hi guys, so today in this video, I will show guys how to get 5 billion sub. Step 1. Download Gacha Life or anything that is Gacha. Step 2. Open it. Step 3. Make 5 characters. FNAF. Step 4. Make a story list. Step 5. Take screenshots for your story. Step 6. Edit it in CapCut like ever. GachaTuber do. X. Step 7. Post it on YouTube. Step 8. Wait for it to upload. Step 9. Wait for 1 year, then you have 100 meters subs. Step 10. Wait for 2 years. Step 11. Then you completed your goal of 5B subs. Step 12. Quit YouTube.